Hello everyone! It's Halloween and the mechanicals can't decide what to dress up as. A teddy bear? That's too cute, Yellow. A devil? That's too dangerous, Red. A snake? That's too clumsy, Blue. Oh dear. At least Baby Truck knows what he wants to dress up as. Baby Truck looks really keen to drive into the big machine. He moves on slowly down the line. And now, he's the monster of Frankenstein. Have fun trick-or-treating, Baby Truck. And remember not to scare people unless they want to be scared. Baby Truck heads off down the street, looking for trucks to trick-or-treat. There's some creepy decorations up for Halloween. Look at this spooky spider. Dylan the dump truck is working hard this Halloween. He's carrying lots of pumpkins for people to carve and turn into jack-o'-lanterns. He hasn't seen Baby Truck creeping up behind him. Ah! Dylan the dump truck jumps with fright and dumps his load of pumpkins all over the road. Oh dear, baby, that wasn't very kind. Where's Baby Truck off to now? He's creeping past the bus station. Shh, baby. Bobby the bus is getting some well-deserved rest. What a fright! Poor Bobby, he nearly jumped out of his skin. That wasn't very nice, baby. How would you like it if someone scared you like that? I think Bobby is a bit cross. Ah, there's Max the monster truck. He's about to test out his new monster tyres. But, uh-oh, look out, Max. Baby Truck's sneaking up behind you. Dear. I've never seen Max jump so high. Are you okay, Max? Baby Truck, that wasn't very friendly. I hope you've done enough trick-or-treating for one Halloween, baby. Oh no, Baby's hiding behind that wall. Look out, Vicky. Yikes! Poor Vicky. I don't think she'll be serving you an ice cream for a while, baby. Baby Truck, I think it's time you came over to my garage for a Halloween party. Shh. Trick or treat, Baby Truck. It's not very nice to be scared, is it? It's just Max the monster truck in a monster costume. And here's Bobby dressed as a spider, Vicky dressed as a witch, and Dylan dressed as a giant pumpkin. Come on, let's all go trick-or-treating together. Wait a minute. Are those real ghosts? Don't get us, please, ghosts. It's just the mechanicals. I guess they finally decided to dress up as spooky ghosts. Ha ha! What a fun night that was. Thanks very much for watching, and have a very happy and safe Halloween. Bye! If you love this video, tap here so you're the first to know about my latest videos. Thanks for watching. Bye!